This is Tanvir Kazmi with my news channel See the World Through. Again, I'm here to discuss very important news of this month. There's a British man tried to induce and poison injection into his mother and to kill her. It was very important news for me, so I thought to give my some comments about this, why it's happening, why the mother, the parents who does so many efforts and sacrifice their entire life to raise a child, and then the child become enemy or try to take their life. It's a very important to discuss this matter because this is not the only one I saw. I saw many different news all over the world where due to some land dispute, one brother killed another brother, and also I remember one of the family living together. They have one son, 21 years old son, and the man lost his wife. She died, and then after a few months, he decided to have another woman into his life. When he told his son, the son was felt very fear. And anyway, after a few months, the father disappeared. Police came, investigated, and found out after a lot of investigation with his the son's friends that basically he killed his own father. When they asked why you did this, he said, I was having fear that because I've lost my mother and the new woman come into the house and she will kick me out of the house. That was very eye-opening for me. What is going on in the world? The parents who spend entire their life not only to bring the child into their life, into the world, and also they spend entire life to raise them every night, 24 by 7, spend their time and the money on the child to raise, and suddenly that child becomes your enemy and destroys the life of the parents. Same thing, the brothers to brother, they live together so happily, so loving, kind together. They play when they become adult, and the fear of losing the land or comfort of the land dispute, they kill each other. They kill father. I've seen many examples. They kill mother. Same thing happening here. The British man, when they interviewed him, he said he had a fear that they have a house and they were living with his mother, and mother finally was ready to have partner with another man. She decided to marry again, and the man felt fear to and then decided to take her life so that he can take over the house. So what I'm saying here, should we only blame the child or the man, the people or the woman who are doing these crimes, or can I not also blame the states, the governments who controls the entire infrastructure, resources, the entire country? They have unlimited land. God has not given less land to you guys. He has given you abundance. Everywhere there's still trillions of acres of land is staying empty. There are resources available, but why we happening? Why the people are feeling fear of losing their property, or they having uncomfort? They may lose some comfort they were having in the house. Why they are having trouble to give the rights of their parents, the mother and father? Why they are not ready to give rights to their brothers and sisters? Where the fear come, and why this fear went into humanity? Why these crimes are rising? Have we ever thought about this? What we have done? We have done nothing. We continue running with the system, economic system, which creating a fear and making everybody fear of each other. Let's change this now. Why not giving the God-given right for each human when they become old to give them immediately the house, a one-bedroom house or small as much as you can. If they person when they become ready to start a new life, they should that person will be very confident, male or female, that when I am starting a life, I have available the resources. I God given rights. God has given rights for every human reborn. That's the soul entering into the body from the God sent the soul. When He controls the entire universe, who are we to control the resources and giving people trouble, putting their fear in our true humans enemy, the devil and Satan, who make very successful to destroy us, putting a fear and jealousy between us. If a child has been given a confirm that when you're again when you're ready to start a new life, or when you need, with that system is available, you can own a house, you can own food and everything. We are guaranteed that you will get that. It's God-given rights. Why that he or she that has to commit crime, why they have to suffer alone, why they have to run around for the fear, but because my mother is marrying or my father is having another marriage, or maybe brothers is bringing his own wife into the house. Now I have fear that that person will take over and I will lose my comfort. We need to change. We need to sit down, humanity. Enough damage has been done to the entire universe and the world. Let's sit down and make a plan together, entire world. We are children of Adam and Eve living together in this world. We have to sit down and make a comprehensive plan. There are unlimited resources. There is everything is available for you. There is no problem at all to find those resources you have. We have to work together. Let's give children, when they go to after puberty, give them and encourage them that everything is available to you. You want a house, is available. You want a job is available. The education support is available. Your family is with you. You need a spouse, we are supporting you. Choose any girls and boy can choose. So let's change this world. We have so many resources, but we are in the hands, playing in the hands of the devil, the humanity, enemy. Keep in your mind, this is not, the earth is not the only resource you have. Again, God created, clearly saying in the holy books, we will expand if there's need. There's no, it's just a mass, is a gas, the earth is. So what I'm saying here, so why the person got a fear that if mother is starting a new life, the mother has a right, and she should start, or father, to have the way God has commanded them to do. You cannot live alone. Don't force them because of fear of your lack of resources management. So let's change that. Let's sit down together and resolve the issues. Well, let's do it as soon as possible. Things are getting very dangerous. Crime rate is very high. Issues are resolving. Issues are being not resolved properly, and people are having into fear and jealousy, committing crime, the murders, and so many other issues. Let's change this now. Let's sit down together as one family, children of Adam and Eve. Let's change this together. Take care. See you next time. Bye.